Has this ever happened to you?
Yo, I heard this was the gateway to the dark web. Maybe I can steal myself some powers. You.
Now, before we explore the dark web, we first have to explore the three layers of the web: the surface, the deep web, and the dark web. What is the surface web? The surface web is the part of the internet that is accessible through search engines like Google. Are there any drawbacks to the surface web? Not really. The surface web shows the real accessibility and convenience of the internet. Now, we're going to go down to the second layer, which is the deep web. What is the deep web? The deep web is content on the internet that is private and shouldn't be accessible to just anyone. Information like emails, credit card statements, and bank accounts are all a part of the deep web. Deep web information is most likely secured by an account and password. By using a unique password to log in to a service and access information, you are accessing the deep web. Are there any drawbacks to using the deep web? The biggest danger on the deep web is the exposure of your private information. How should you prevent this? In order to prevent this, you should make sure to keep login information and passwords secure. Try not to access private information on unsecured Wi-Fi networks, and be aware of attempts to steal your information, like phishing or scams. Now we're going to go down to the darkest depths of the internet, which is the dark web. Things on the dark web are intentionally hidden to preserve privacy. The way this works is by the use of overlay networks, which run on top of normal internet and obscure access. Regular browsers cannot access the dark web, so dark web users use the onion router, or Tor for short, that make the user undetectable from search engines, preserving anonymity. Information on the dark web varies from harmless content to illegal activity. Most of the time though, activity on the dark web refers to this illegal activity. Some dark web content includes stolen private information, the sale of illegal substances, and dangerous services which can even involve human trafficking and murders for hire. Even transactions in the dark web are protected because users pay in cryptocurrency, which is also known for protecting privacy. As you can see, the dark web is a pretty dangerous place. Real, dangerous, and illegal content can be found on the dark web. Now, how should you prevent getting hurt on the dark web? If it is possible, it is better to just stay off the dark web altogether. However, if necessary, use the Tor browser and the Tails program, which is created by the same creators of Tor and adds extra layers of security. In addition, use a VPN to mask your IP address. Even still, use of the dark web can still go wrong and be very harmful. Therefore, make sure to plan your use of the dark web ahead of time and don't get caught off track.
This again, the dark web. I learned from last time. Especially because Darth Vader scared me straight. I'm out.